Hello guys. Welcome back to Mech Geeks YouTube channel. From today onwards we are starting a new series of lessons about the Java programming language. And also parallel we will make sure videos on our own mechanical subjects. First of all, there are many other YouTube videos for some basics of Java, like its features, high-level language, low-level language, how to use Eclipse, etc. So here I am not wasting much time about that basic stuff. If you really want that basics, you may check other YouTube videos. As of now, let's get started with the topic about class and objects. You may heard that Java is object-oriented programming language. What does it mean? And also you observe that Java code has this class keyword. Let's keep this also aside. First thing first, we discuss about what is an object. Object. It's a common sense. An object can be anything. A ball, an apple, a laptop, car, anything. So in this universe everything is an object. And every object has its own properties and behavior. Now let's take an example of ball object. As earlier I said, object has its own properties, nothing but we called as state. The state represents the value of an object. In the ball object, its state can be as sphere, red, heart, etc. that mean what we observe from our point of view. Behavior represents the functionality of an object. In this example, a ball object, it can be roll, it can bounce. Similarly, when we take a pen as an object, its name is Reynolds, color is white, known as its state. It is used to write, so writing is its behavior. In Java, object is called as instance. The state of objects can be represented by data types. And behavior is nothing but functions or methods. Now coming to the class. Let's see this objects. When I ask please give a pen, what will you do? Most of you think pen is okay, but what pen? Okay, now let's pick the black one. You will easily pick up the pen I want. Your thinking is perfect because there are many objects in this picture, but you get focused on when I said the state of the pen. That mean your mind just filtered the objects of pen. Here the word pen is nothing but type. So when I said black colored pen, it makes more sense about the particular object. The word pen, which I said, makes you to think, it has an ink chamber, barrel, cap, etc. So it's just a blueprint. I think you understood the point. All different pen objects belongs to the one particular type called the pen type. In Java the type is nothing but a class. So an object or an instance is the physical as well as a logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical entity only. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It can't be physical. I think it's enough for this video. In the next video we will focus on the Hello World program. That's all for today, hope you guys understood. Please give us a like and share this video, comment, and most importantly make sure to subscribe our channel.